morning, I'm Kelsey Brennan-Wessels, and welcome to this edition of Earth from Space on the European Space Agency Web TV. Today we take a look at an image from the Envisat satellite that shows frozen lakes dotting the Tibetan Plateau in Central Asia. Tibet is the highest and largest plateau in the world, with an area equal to about 4 times the size of France and an average elevation exceeding 4,500 meters. To its south, it is bordered by the Himalayan mountain range, part of which is visible in the lower left corner of this image. To the northwest, we can see part of the Kunlun Mountains, separating the plateau from the Tarim Basin farther north. Both salt and freshwater lakes are visible across the steppe, many of which freeze for many months of the year. The plateau becomes progressively higher, colder, and drier as it slopes to the northwest. The Shanthang region in the northwest has an altitude of over 5,000 meters, and winter temperatures reach -40 degrees Celsius, making this inhospitable environment one of the least populous regions in the world. The plateau is also the world's third largest store of ice, after the Arctic and Antarctic. In recent years, rising temperatures have caused fast-paced melting. The glacial melt pours into the continent's largest rivers, such as the Indus and Ganges. This makes the ice store a vital lifeline for Asian rivers. But while rapid melting causes lakes to expand and floods rivers, it depletes the water source in the long term. Satellites such as Cryosat, SMOS, and Envisat can be used to monitor glacier melting and the water cycle, as well as the effects that climate change has on our planet. And that brings us to the end of this edition of Earth from Space. We remind you that we broadcast online every Friday at 10 o'clock Central European Time. You can watch us on our website or through the ESA app on your mobile device. From the ESA Web TV studios, I'm Kelsey Brennan-Wessels.